Hello and welcome to this short video tutorial. Today we're going to show you how you modify your topology in the B2 Suite version 2. We can now open Grid Management and set the topology immediately when we're creating a new device set, or we can select an existing device set and choose Modify Topology. We start by adding the desired standard joint type. Then we can add the standard cable type. We are able to set the installation date. Now we enter the number of joints, so that the default settings for the joints are automatically applied. The configuration of the cable system can now be carried out in bespoke manner. The precise position of the joint can be defined either by specifying the individual cable lengths or by defining the joint position itself. The model type for the near and the far end can also be configured, along with supplementary information such as the installation and repair dates, the geo coordinates for the joint, nodes and the markers for the cables. You also have the option to make further changes to the settings in this area. You can either remove or split them by right-clicking on the cable symbol. If you split it, you will be taken to a menu where you can set the respective parameters. You can also make changes directly in the topology. Left-click to select the end terminations, cables and joints. A menu is then displayed for each section where you can read and change information. Right-clicking on the respective icons gives you various options. In the case of a cable section, you can remove or split it. In the case of a joint, you can either remove or reposition it. Thank you for watching this video. For more information about B2 and our products, please visit our website. And if you have any technical queries about your B2 device, please contact our technical support at support@b2hv.com.